Hi friends, this video shows how to enable auto call recording. First open this Samsung phone app. Tap on this icon. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Go to settings, tap here. Tap on record calls. Then enable auto record calls. Tap here. Done. Then tap on auto record calls. Tap on this label. And here you can see four options. Record all calls. So if you want to record all calls, you can enable this first option. So if you want to record only unserved numbers, select this second option. If you want to record only specific numbers, you can use this third option. Those specific numbers you can specify here. Tap here, number to auto record. And here you can enter the number that you need to record. You can also select number from contacts. Go back. Then the fourth option. All calls except specific numbers. Numbers that we need to skip. Those numbers we can specify here. Tap on numbers not to record. And here we can enter the number that we need to skip. We can also select number from the contacts. Go back. Let me select first option, record all calls. Go back. So if you want to get notification after recording, you can enable this option. Tap on recorded calls. Here you would be able to see all recorded calls. Go back. Then storage location. Tap here. Here you can change storage location. So right now I have selected internal storage. If you want, you can change to SD card. Then the last option, delete recording older than 1 month. Tap here. So here you can see over 1 month old 4 recordings. If you tap on delete, it will delete those 4 recordings. So this way we can delete old recordings. So this way we can enable auto call recording. If you want to disable auto call recording, you can tap here and disable. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.